Hello friends, Anand again. So in this video I'm gonna learn about the actions on Google. So actions on Google is for the Google Home devices and phones and for the Google Assistant. So this is similar to the Amazon Alexa API. So in this video I'm just gonna learn about how to create like a basic template which can interact with our Google Home or with Google Assistant. So this video just for purely for the beginners and for the learners. So if you are very experienced or expert in this area, please don't watch this video. This is like very basic video which talks to create the basic action in Google. Okay, cool. So in order to create our Google actions, so you need to go to the http console.actions.google.com. You need to log in using your Gmail account or your Google account, whatever it is. So once you are able to log in, you should be able to launch on this page. So to create a new project, click on the add or import project. So I'm going to click this one. So just name your project. So I'm going to name this project as Play Anand something, or instead of Anand, let me see, like play test. Okay, let me give like this, play test. So the project name is play test. It's creating. Takes some couple of minutes. If you want to have some coffee, you can go and have some coffee, but I don't think it's going to take that much time. Here we go. So the project playtest has been created. You can see the most popular stuff over here, like games and phones, home control, kids and families, food and drink, and blah blah blah. So I'm not going to touch any of this. I'm going to click the skip, and I'm just directly want to go back to my project tree. So the project, you can see two items, like more than 3 to 4 items, like setup, build, test, and deploy. So first is the setup. So setup has like invocation. So invocation is like how you're gonna invoke this specific action on your Google Home or in your Google Assistant. So what I'm gonna do, like say chit chat play something. So if you want to hear that
chit chat play,
that's what it says. So you can choose the Google Assistant voice, male 1 or male 2 or female 1 or female 2, blah blah. I'm gonna choose female 1, and then I'm gonna click the save button over here. So the invocation part, the setup part is completed. So now the next thing, to build the actions. So that's under the build over here. So click on the actions. So we need to add our very first action. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not going to use the custom intent, or I'm not going to use any built-in intents. I'm going to use the templates, and I'm not going to go with the home automation. I'm not doing any home automation over here. I'm just going to use some templates. We have like 3 templates. I'm going to use the like flashcards over here. So flashcards is kind of a study any subject by creating flashcards to quiz yourself and others, something like that. So let me click the build over here. So in the actions, you can see the personalities. So you can see different personality over here. So if you want to listen to those personality, like Mr. Montgomery.
I like that answer because it's right.
Cool. Regal Queen.
Your intelligence is staggering.
Really? Okay. And Beep the Robot.
I call that a right answer. I guess that's the end. Now
that's okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose the Beeps the Robot and then click the next. So the second step is to fill in your content. So the Google Sheet or Google Docs. So it has like a default content over here. You can make a copy of it. So click the make a copy of it. So it's gonna ask you, would you like to make a copy of Flashcard Game? So make a copy. So it will ask you to make a copy over here. You can see the questions. So these are the templates actually. This is the question, what is the baby animal name for alligator? Answer is hatchling. Hint, this baby animal name starts with an H. and then follow up according to Wikipedia, blah 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 blah. So like that, this is like a flashcard, right? So I'm not going to do anything, so I'm just gonna copy the URL over here and then go back to the action, click next. I'm gonna paste it over here and then click upload. So the content was successfully uploaded. Then we are going to create the app. So it's going to take some time, so please be patient for a while, and let's see what's going to happen over here. And over here I have my Google Home. So I just logged in to my console or action at Google on the same Google account what I'm using with the Google Home. So we can test, in your Google Home or in your mobile app. Like if you have a Google Assistant, you can test. So let's test our action. So click test your actions. So it's going to launch your simulator. So we finished the setup, we finished the build. Now we are at this test phase, the simulator. So you can click over here, testing on devices enabled. You currently are able to test your actions on all assistant devices connected to anand.babu2.gmail.com. Okay, cool. So talk to chit chat play. So you remember we gave this name as the invocation game. So let me try with my Google Home. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, Google, chit chat play. I don't know whether it's okay, Google, are you there?
Hi there. What a nice surprise. How can I help?
Chit chat play.
Sorry, I can't do that yet.
Okay, Google, chit chat play.
Sorry, I can't do that yet.
I don't know. Okay, Google, chit chat play.
Sorry, I can't do that yet.
Let's try with my Google Assistant in my phone. I'm really sorry. I'm seriously disappointed with this, but let's try with my Google Assistant. Let's see what the Google Assistant is doing over here. This is the Google Assistant. Not sure you're able to see it or not. Chit chat play.
Chit chat, play food and games.
Okay, I need to change my account over here. Okay, here we go. Chit chat play.
Chit chat, play food and games. Here you are.
Talk to chit chat play.
Okay, let's get the test version of Chit chat play.
Welcome to the fun Flashcards game. Let's boost that memory. In this game, I'll ask you some questions about animals. Ready to play?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What's the baby animal name for deer?
Oh, dear. Fawn?
Not quite. Do you want a hint or try again?
Fawn? Might be an accent.
Not for this one. The answer is fawn.
Okay.
Here's the next question. What's the baby animal name for squirrel?
Hint, please.
Not for this one. I can either give you a hint or you can just try again.
Pup.
Which would you like?
Pup.
Not quite. The answer is pup. Next question. What's the baby animal name for horse?
Four.
Nailed it. Here's another. What's the baby animal name for rat?
Pup.
Yes. According to peteducation.com, pups are born.
Okay, so let's try with the Google Home now. Okay, Google. Talk to chit chat play.
Sure, here's the test version of Chit chat play.
Welcome to the fun flashcards game. Let's boost that memory. In this game, I'll ask you some questions about animals. Are you ready to play?
Yes.
Here's the first one. What's the baby animal name for hamster?
Pup.
You're clever. That's right. How about this one? What's the baby animal name for squirrel?
Again, pup.
You're clever. That's right. Here's another. What's the baby
Thank you
animal
very
name
much.
for tiger?
Please cancel. Okay. Okay, Google, cancel that.
Okay, your score was 2 out of 5. I hope you practice again soon. See you later.
Okay. So here you go, guys. So I just learned how to make my own action on Google Home and Google Assistant. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and comment. Thanks.